If you're getting the wallpaper limit reached message when trying to add a new lock screen, let's fix it step by step. First, understand the limit. iPhones running iOS 16 or later let you save up to 200 lock screens, and once you hit that limit, you cannot add more until you delete some. So, to delete some, swipe down from the top left corner of your screen, then press and hold until you see the wallpaper gallery with all your saved screens. After that, swipe through your wallpapers, and when you see one you don't need, swipe up on it and tap delete. Repeat this for a few more times to free up space. Then, tap the plus icon to create a new lock screen wallpaper. You should no longer see the wallpaper limit reached message. And to avoid hitting the limit again, regularly remove lock screens you don't use anymore. And that's all. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.